In this video, I will show you how to get Trading 212 virtual card. So first of all, open up your app and then navigate to the card tab at the bottom. And once you are in here, you need to click on the plus icon, or when it's your first time, go ahead and click on Get Your Trading 212 card at the bottom. But I already have a card, so I'm going to click on plus in here. And once you do that, you can just select virtual or single use. These are both virtual. So if you want like a permanent virtual card, you can get it for free by clicking on this blue arrow to the right. And now you can personalize your card as well. So go ahead and select the color. I'm just going with this one. And after, you need to click on continue. And now you can see that your card is ready immediately. You can start using your wallet by adding it to your Apple Pay or Google Pay from this button. That's depending on the device you're on. And I'm on an iPhone, so I can just add it to my Apple Wallet immediately. So I'm just going to show you how you can do that. So go ahead and click on this option. And it also works the same for Google Pay. So click on this. And then you need to click on next at the top right to add it to your Apple Pay or Google Pay. Accept the terms and conditions by clicking on agree at the bottom right. And after that, you need to verify your card by selecting one of the verification methods. I'm going with this one, and after, I'm going to click on next. And after you have filled that in, you see that your card is activated. And now you can set your card as your default card, or you can just click on not now to not have it as your default card. And then it will ask you to move cash to your SpendingPo, and you can just go ahead and click on move cash if you want to use it immediately. You can also click on remind me later. And what you need to do to start using it, you can also do it from the card tab. You need to click on SpendingPo on this arrow, and there you will have an option to move cash from your assets to your SpendingPo. And then you can immediately use it on the cards that you have added. So this is how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I will see you in the next one.